Hi guys, today we're going to learn parallelogram. We have seen that a quadrilateral is any four-sided. A parallelogram is a special type of quadrilateral. Let's read definition. If opposite sides of a quadrilateral to each other, then it is called a parallelogram. A small quadrilateral ABCD means parallelogram A. Look at the figure. The opposite sides are which sides? A, D, and BC. Opposite sides AD parallel to BC. Opposite sides AB parallel to DC. Opposite sides. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. Interior angles A, B, C, and D. A, B, C. These angles are interior angles of a parallelogram. Properties of a parallelogram. Theorem. A diagonal of a parallelogram forms two congruent triangles. Look at the figure. Given a figure with vertex A, B, C, D, angle drawn in the diagonal from A and C, congruent angles 1, 2, and 3, 4. What we can say? These triangles. First one, alternate interior angles. If you remember alternate interior angles, angle 1 congruent, angle 4, like this. And angle 3 congruent, angle 2. So if this 4 angle each other alternate interior angle, then we can write angle AC, line segment AC, line segment CA. This is a reflexive property. So here we can write angle 8, triangle A, B, C, congruent angle C, D, A. Next property. Next here. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Which angles? As you see, angle A and the angle B, corresponding angles. Angle A and angle B prime. Where is the B prime? B prime is here. So there are corresponding angles. Then angle B prime, sorry, angle B prime congruent D. Which angles? These two are the same. C, this one, and are corresponding angles. So if angle A is congruent to B, B prime, there is angle B prime congruent to angle C. Transitive using the transitive property. We can write angle A congruent angle C. Then angle B congruent angle D. Angle D. Okay. Next one, next theorem. In a parallelogram, consecutive angles are supplementary. Do you remember supplementary angles? Supplementary angles. But if sum of two angles equal to 180 degrees, it's called the supplementary angles, right? So here, angle A and angle B prime are each other equal. Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B prime are equal to each other. Previous theorem we learned this property. Then here B prime is in measure of angle B plus measure of angle B prime. This angle B and the B prime. With the straight angle, so straight angle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So here we use property. We can write conclusion. Measure of angle A plus measure of B is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, let's solve one example. One example. Okay, let's solve one example from activity book exercise 3. The figure showed a parallel with measure of angle DBC is equal to 60 and measure of angle CDB is 2x and measure of angle BAD is equal to 3x plus 20 x. First question, and second one is find the measure of angle ADB and C measure of angle ABD. Okay, let's find. First one, let's find x. Let's find x. What is the x? Using the theorem, here we can write angle BD is 2x. Sorry, 1 minute. Angle B angle ABD 2x. Here we can write measure of angle A is plus measure of angle B is equal to 180. Then what is the angle A? 3 3 What will the angle be? Angle A, 3x plus 20. What the angle be? 2x plus 60. 2x plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So if we add the like terms, 3x plus 2x, we get 5x. Then 20 plus 60, 80 degrees is equal to 180. If we take the right side 80 plus change it to minus, what? 5x is equal to 180 minus 80 degrees. Then 5x is equal to what? 400. Here x is equal to 20 degrees. So now we find x, so x is 20 degrees, and next one b, measure of angle ADB. What is the measure of angle ADB? 1 minute. Measure of angle ADB is equal to, if using the Z rule, this one. Did you remember that rule? If 2x, here also 2x, then here also 60 degrees. So, angle ADB, we have right 60 degrees. Find measure of angle ABD. Measure of angle ABD is equal to 2x. What is the x? 2 times x, then 2 times 20 is 40 degrees. Angle ABD is equal to angle ATB is equal to 60 degrees. Angle, x is 20 degrees. Next subject, rhombus. A parallelogram that has 4 congruent sides. For example, in the figure ABCD is the rhombus. Its opposite sides are parallel, or it is the parallelogram, and all its sides are congruent. We can see that the rhombus all the properties for parallelogram. What we can say about the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. Where the diagonals AC, diagonal of AC perpendicular, diagonal BD. As you see here, small circle. What's that? Perpendicular means also perpendicular. In the rhombus, AB is the diagonal of AC and DB bisect each other side the rhombus the parallelogram. Therefore, in the figure, OD and OB equal OD equal to OB. what we do is the center of this rhombus, and OA is equal to OC. The OD is here and OD is here, the OA is here and OC is here. So diagonals divide each other in equal two parts. Each diagonal in the rhombus bisects two angles of the rhombus. As you see, diagonal AC is bisects angles to equal parts. For example, in the figure, the diagonal AC, the bisector of angles A, so AC diagonal AC is bisector of angle A and angle C. Angle C. This one. It's just small two dots are bisect. Angle A, diagonal AC is the bisector of angle A and angle C. Similarly, diagonal BD bisector of angle and angle B and angle D. Let's solve one example from activity book. Okay, given a rhombus KOM. Let's select, right? If measure of K and M 80 degrees, then AMX, the size of length of side ML is 20 centimeter, and MN plus 2. Find M and X. Let's find M. So what we can say size of a rhombus, all sides each other equal. So here we can write like this: 3M. Sorry. 3M plus 2 is equal to 100. Then 3M is equal to 20 minus 2. Then 3M is equal to 18. M, if we cancel 3 by both sides, we get 6. M is 6. Let's find X. If angle M is X, opposite of angle M, angle K. K also X. If angle M is 70 degrees, opposite of angle N is L, also 70. Then sum of the interior angles of the rhombus is equal to what? 360 degrees. So to X plus 140, 360 degrees. Y 140. 2x is 2x, and 70 plus 70 is 140. Then, if you take the right side to get to x is equal to 360 minus 140. 2x is equal to what? 220. If you divide both sides by 2, x is 110. Okay guys, today we have to finish subject. Your homework from activity book. Okay, see you later.